Hello everyone, I'm Dragana Ilic, and today I'm going to talk to you about the amazing results of the astrophotography school contest organized by the Nike Team Serbia. We are a group of people working under the hood of the Society of Astronomers of Serbia, and you can see here some of the activities of the society, and you can follow them on the official website of the Society of Serbia. And especially, I would like to thank the Nike Team Serbia, which our team members are displayed here, who were the main participants of the school contest that I'm going to present here. And apart from this activity, Nike Team Serbia is very active in the teachers' trainings, and we hope to continue with this events as well in this year. Especially, I would like to present here a contest for school kids under the title Take a Photo of the Night Sky, and the website you can see here. The most important motivation and idea behind this competition is that we wanted to reach a wide range of school kids, ranging from elementary school up to high school. And we wanted to find a way how to bring astronomy to schools and make school children interested in astronomy. Therefore, we designed a competition in astrophotography, but with one main motivation, main motto that we wanted to share with everyone, that anyone can take a professional night sky photo. You don't need an expensive and very professional equipment. However, what is necessary is an appropriate training. Therefore, with the help of a lot of people and organizers, we initiated this school contest. Our main motivation is that we wanted to enable wide participation. So we wanted to provide equal opportunity as much as possible and try to bring the term equity into this competition. Therefore, in order to enable that everyone has the same start in this competition, we organize it in a two phase, basically. The first two phases. The first phase was that the school teams were supposed to register and register to the competition. We defined that each team can have maximum 5 students and should be supervised with a school teacher. One school teacher could supervise more than one team. And then for the registered teams, we organize an online training how to take an astronomical image with a mobile phone or a tablet. An important thing that I wanted to say is that one of the important prerequisites of the meeting was that a night sky photo could be taken only with the mobile phone or the tablet without any additional, basically, equipment. So for our very big surprise, we had 400 registered teams from this in the first phase of the competition. The teams were registered from all across Serbia, and both from elementary and high school. And in total, we had 1,400 pupils and about 200 teachers registering for the competition. In the first phase, as already said, we organized an online training, which was given by one of our team members, Vladimir Kržalic, who is a well-known astrophotographer. And the training, how to make a good astrophotography, was attended by around 700 people. We recorded this training and made it available during the whole period of the contest. And the main question that we were asked by many people were the propositions, and which are listed here in more details for completion. What was important that each team could submit only one astrophotography, which have to be taken with a mobile phone or tablet, without any additional lenses or special equipment. You could only use an adapter or a stand. And these were like some technical details. What was the format and the size of the image? An important thing is that we allowed the post processing of the photo. However, it was important that in case of processing, the original photo has to be submitted, which you could see basically in this supporting technical files. As a result, we had 200 submitted photos by around 800 participants. And our members of the expert jury, which are listed here, Vladimir Krželić, Miodrag Sekulić, Tijana Pradanović, and Marina Pavlović, all very much active in either professional astronomy, observing, and astrophotography, had a very tough job to select the best and the winning astrophotos. As a result, we awarded 3 first prizes. For which we managed to get special, let's say, awards. Basically, with the support of our sponsors, we managed to buy 3 telescopes for the schools of the winning teams. And we were also proud to give one special prize for the youngest participants. We were just the first grade pupils of an elementary school. We managed to organize an award ceremony at the Astronomical Observatory Belgrade, and the photos you see here, which was supported with the exhibition of the first best 15 astro photos. And you can see some of the photos here of the visit of the Astronomical Observatory in Belgrade, which is the oldest astronomical institution in Serbia. And now I want to show the best selected photos. Maybe here, I don't know how are your screens, whether you can see it, but you can all watch them on our website. The 3rd prize was awarded to the team coming from the 7th grade elementary school from Belgrade. And you can see here the night sky at the foot of Dinara Mountain in Dalmatia. The 2nd prize was awarded to a team from 8th grade elementary school from Vlasotince in southern Serbia. And you can see on this photo the starry sky above the old cemetery, the memorial park in Vlasotince. And the 1st prize was awarded to the team coming from the high school in Požarevac in central Serbia. And you can see on this beautiful photo star trails above the roofs of Požarevac on a February evening. What was maybe the best prize for all the awarded teams was this award ceremony at the Astronomical Observatory in Belgrade. And despite the very poor weather in April, we gathered the teams across Serbia, and we had a very nice ceremony with the opening of the exhibition, visit of the old refractor, and the team had a chance to meet each other and discuss with professional astronomers and talk about the future activities. Finally, what was the nice acknowledgements for our team that one of our photos was featured in the IAU journal for the communication of astronomy, and in this number from this year, number 32. And of course, you can read all about these activities on our official website. I would like to thank the organizers and the sponsors of the competitions, and thank you for the attention.